Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change the cabin air filter on my 2014 GMC Sierra. This is a pretty simple project. All you're going to need is your cabin air filter and a T15 torque screwdriver or bit with a little mini impact. I'm going to put this filter and a non-OE filter down in the description along with tools. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, the cabin filter is located behind the glove box, and this will be the same for any 2014 through 2019 Silverado, Sierra, and I believe some Cadillacs are the same. So the first thing, go and open this. If you have anything up here, like this is okay, but if you have anything that's hanging over, go ahead and take that out because you're going to need to. Next, lower this glove box. I'll just take my stuff out to make it a little easier. You're going to have a T15 screw there. You have a T15 screw there. You're going to take those out. Once you get these two out, and if you're wondering what the purpose of a cabin air filter is, I will put a link at the end of this video to my video that explains cabin air filters. Once those are out though, go and close this, and you're going to have two. Let me find it. We got one right there, and you have one right there that you need to take out. All right, once all four of those screws are out and this is closed, just get underneath here, grab on top of here, just like that. And as you can see, you have an alignment feature here and a clip here. Same with on this side. There's a clip there, an alignment feature here, so you can take the four screws out without worrying about it just falling out. You actually have to grab it and pull it out. All right, I got a light. There is a clip up top there and one up there. You need to release those and then it'll pivot down like a door and then off. We'll see if I can get the light. All right, so you reach in. How that released? Switch hands. That one released. Sometimes this harness gets in the way, so you can just push it over. And the same with here. Push that over. Push down, then out. And you have two tabs on the bottom that line up there and there. And if your filter doesn't have it, the airflow, the new filter will have an airflow down. Let me get this one out, but literally you just pull it out. It's got some stuff in it. It's a bit due to replace. You see where it says air, you want that to actually go down towards the floor. One thing while we're getting the new one opened up and put in is if it's really, really dirty, a lot of leaves in that, you'll want to take a blowgun, preferably from an air compressor, and try to blow out that opening, because that actually goes on into your blower motor. If leaves get down there and you turn the blower motor on, which you can do after the blower motor's been ran, but you can actually get a vibration and it'll just make the blower motor sound really, really loud. So if you've changed cabin air filter and you noticed your blower motor's louder, it's probably why you had some debris get down there. Worst case scenario, depending on how easy the vehicle is, you can actually pull out the blower motor, clean it, and put it back in. All right, put your new filter in, airflow facing down. Take the little door, get both of the tabs in their respective slots. Here, clip in, move the harness, clipped in like that. Then you've got to put your glove box in, get the four screws back in, and you're ready to rock and roll. So if you thought this video was useful, give it a thumbs up, and see you guys later.